Once the milk shuttle is in place, slide the clip onto the dispensing tube. Make sure to remove the plastic off the dispensing tube first. When the clip is on, feed the dispensing tube through the gate by first pressing on the valve handle. Now cut the dispensing tube. For further instructions on how to cut the tube, please watch our How to Load a Milk Dispenser video. Once service has ended for the day, put the dispensing tube inside the machine. Press on the clip until it is tight. Press the valve handle and lift the dispensing tube through the gate. The milk remaining between the clip and the gate will drip out. Place the dispensing tube inside the machine and close the door. When service has begun, take the dispensing tube and put it through the gate. Release the clip by pressing down as seen. Now enjoy the milk. Thanks for watching.